Hello, today I just wanted to make a quick video on how to make an answer key for some paper quizzes that you may still give, but would still like to have auto-graded. This is a very easy way. I'm going to make the assumption that you already know how to get into Google Forms and how to make a quiz. If you don't, then you go look back at the channel again, and it's got my very first video was how to make a quiz from a Google form. So you can just go back and watch that one to get the more details on it if you'd like. But for this, we're just going to make an answer key. So I'm going to just label it like quiz 1, put it up there. Okay, quiz 1. Oops, quiz 1. And the untitled question, the very first one I always put, student's full name. That automatically changes this to short answer, and I require it. Then I add a new section, which is here. I don't usually title that, but you can if you would like. Then I add a question. For answer keys, I just put question 1, and option 1 will be A. Oh, A. You can add all, and that would enter A, B, C, D for you. And then you can just duplicate, make that 2. Duplicate, make that 3, and so on. So you go back up here, click on 1, and you hit your answer key. You're going to go in and say that choice was actually B, and give it its points. So you can say you want 10 points. Then you can go down to the next one, click on 2, go to the answer key, put the answer as D, make sure you put your points in there, 5 points, 3, same thing, D. Go to your answer key and press D. And that's it. So you can just pretty much click duplicate, duplicate, duplicate until you are done. And then make sure you go back and edit your questions and put your answer keys in. And from there, it just auto grades itself. There you go.